Page 132. Whatever that is, I am not going to attempt those words. I don't speak German. I hardly speak English. So I'm sure you can pronounce all that junk. You go right ahead. It's a choral piece, a song by Brahms. There's no words in this particular arrangement of this, but I don't think we're after the words so much as we're after the notes. It says it's choral. You'd think with a choral score, you're going to have words. But okay, we will do without. We're not going to sing it. You look it over and you see, yes, singers are concert key instruments. So if you wanted the voice is, they're all the lines are in the same key signature. You know, we're in the key of D major, I guess. We'll know more when we get into it because D major and B minor sound different, and you can tell the difference in the harmony. So once you get into it and you hear the harmony, you'll know which it is. 3/4 time, the idea is first we're going to play the parts. Here with 3 parts, we can probably handle it a little easier. So the soprano is 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 2, 2. Okay, not much of an ending, but that's what it is. Okay, then the alto part, got these A's down really well. In measure 5, you get some D's. Oh boy, and then the C. Okay, and then the bass part down here. Now these notes up here actually could be done with tenors. Tenors could sing this range. But if they want basses, see the difference between the tenor and the bass isn't just the range, it's the tone quality of the voices. Basses have a deeper tone quality to them. That's what their basses are. Tenors have a lighter tenor. I sang tenor constantly in choir in college and so forth because I could do the high notes and I had more like a baritone. Most men are baritones, but basses are that. That's apparently what they want here. They just want them in these notes. So, and then you mix them up. Let's see what the top 2 parts sound together. See, both voices are singing the same note at the first. And then up here. Reading the top 2 steps, yeah, whatever. Play it in one hand as long as you can reach, you know, they don't get too far apart. Because when you put all 3 voices, if you try and play all 3 voices, you kind of need to play the top 2 voices in one hand. Again, the most important voice here is the melody, and I'm assuming it's the top part. I'm not familiar with this song. The next most important part is the bass part because sound is built from the bottom up. We want to hear the bass. So what we want to do is hear those 2. Yeah? If they sound okay, I can't tell if they do or not, whatever. And then we do the middle part. And you do the top 2 voices. And then we can try the bottom 2 voices. No melody, just here. The biggest thing that comes out to me in this is the rhythm. You have quarter rests on some measures, and other rests you have half notes. So some measures we rest. We want to hear the rest. Rest. It's a quarter half note. It's a contrast between rest, rest, hang on. There's a difference there. That to me stands out as kind of important. So the idea is to be able to play these parts when you need to, and when there's only 3 parts, you can probably do all 3 together. You're playing the top 2 parts here. And take it slow if you have to learn it. You don't want to do this with people singing. You got to be able to play it while they're singing or you mess them up. And you're playing wrong notes, you mess them up. It's kind of important that you can be playing this well enough to play it accurately while they're singing, or it messes them up. No. Grazioso, playfully, happily, whatever that means. That's really about all I have to say. Just be prepared that when you have an ensemble you're working with, you need to be able to play the notes that you need to play accurately to help them, or it messes them up.